So we start off today's video with another gummy bear inspired DIY. Oh, this is of a lamp. How fun is that? Very cool aesthetic and vibe. And then we have this huge plastic Coca-Cola bottle. Now, I don't know where she got this thing from, but it looks really cool. And then she's just gonna spray paint that with like this really pretty sea moss color. Now there's a couple of different things you could do with that. She used hers as a planter, but how cool would this look at like a side table base? Oh, I am picturing that in my head. So then we have someone making these drawer books or drawers out of books. I don't know where they got these books from, but this is a really cool idea too. Definitely something unique for sure. And then we have someone who is making these various rug designs. I bet you she probably sells these. And they kind of give me like 70s vibes, like just the way that they look just makes me think 70s decor. And then we have a furniture flip. So it looks like a lot of work went into this one for sure. And I like the navy blue color that she went with. Gorgeous. And look at that statement wall she has behind it. And then we have this floral side table DIY. This is so cute. I love the pink and the mint green coloring. Very cool. And then we have these shelves. Oh, I absolutely love this aesthetic, the blue. I love a good DIY that shows you exactly what they used. So they have an old tin can here from like cookies, and they added some wooden chopsticks. Now take your guesses now. What do you think they're making? This is cool, but oh, okay, yeah, they used it. Okay, so they wrapped more twine. I was gonna say I don't like the blue parts poking out, but wow. Yeah, this is a really cool DIY. Very nice. And then we have someone making over their lampshade. So these are always so much fun because you can just get like an old thrifted lamp and just make it more your aesthetic, more modern. Very cool. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will, of course, see you next time.